Namaskara.
Namaskar.
It's a very nice being with you both, ma'am.
Namaste.
And hi, our sir here from Bangalore, Mr. Venkatesh, and sir as a colonel, I brought him to a bird watching here to the Brahmagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. And ma'am Lily, also she's into bird watching. So wonderful bird watchers. So I never have come across in my life the people who are expertise do bird watching since their lifehood, and their life is totally different with the birds. Yes, of course, they traced me through the Google and found me, and it is really pleasure to being with the Venkatesh sir and the ma'am here, Lily ma'am. Okay, sir. Just I wanted to ask you three questions to you, sir, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Sir, could you please introduce by yourself, sir?
So I am a soldier, and now I totally dedicated myself to conservation through bird watching,
Sure.
and I try to take outstanding photographs
Sir.
which will inspire the other people
Sir.
so that they understand what is birds
Sir.
and what are trees and why we should protect nature,
Yes, sir.
so that we protect our whole nation
Sir.
from destruction.
Yeah, sir. I just heard yesterday you were telling regarding the you wanted to teach your soldiers,
Correct.
being voluntarily,
Very true.
even though you are retired, sir.
Very true.
You wanted to go there and you have to teach about how to be a good soldier by soldiering,
Correct.
or among birding, sir.
Very
So just two line you can explain to
Yeah,
it, sir.
see, the soldiering, in a soldier carries a gun,
Yes, sir.
whereas a photographer or bird shooting, we carry a camera.
Sir.
But apart from that, everything is very similar.
Sir.
For example, to catch an enemy,
Sir.
you need to have tactics.
Yes, sir.
To see a bird, again, you need to have tactics.
Sir.
To capture an enemy, you require a lot of patience.
Ah,
Again, to see a bird, you require a lot of patience.
sir.
Then when we are going on a mission
Sir.
in the army, we require to walk physically fit
Exactly, sir.
and carry your own and be self-contained.
Exactly, sir.
Anything happen, you should be ready to handle yourself.
Exactly.
The same thing when it happens goes in a forest.
Yes, sir.
You need to be self-contained
Yes.
and able to do your thing.
Yes, sir.
And most important, birds, while fighting today happens at night,
Sir.
but there are many nocturnal birds which also operate at night. And most important thing which a bird, the soldier requires is observation.
Observation, sir.
Correct. And birding also requires observation.
Observation.
So you can improve your skills
Yeah.
through observation,
Observations.
which will help you, a soldier, in his fighting life also.
Exactly, sir. So thank you so much, sir. So the ma'am, she's one of the charismatic lady. I'm telling you, it is not simply I'm not a joke because of my experience with the 25 years with the birds. But she is able to recognize most of the calls in the Western Ghats, the birds. You cannot just bullshit to her. So she can recognize the birds and she tells this is the bird call. So it was amazing. Ma'am, two line of saying about your expertise to us, ma'am.
I don't think I'm an expert. I think
No, you are still
have
learning.
to be
No, I have been with
observant.
you, ma'am.
I think you have to be observant to the surroundings around you and to be able to hear and understand. Other than the city life, the vehicles, the cars, the buses moving around, you should be able to, tolerate the silence in a jungle and be able to hear and understand that there are a lot of living things around you, including the trees.
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly. So, sir, 2 days you are with me for the birding. So yesterday we went to a different location. It is a dry deciduous forest inside, sir. Today we are totally into tropical forest inside, sir. Yes, of course, it's a border of Kerala and Karnataka. So we went. So we show a various species, sir. So it is you just being 2 days, and by God grace, if tomorrow also, if weather permits, we will go for the bird watching. The guest is there with me for 3 days. Tomorrow we are including. So I am including. So could you please 2 lines of your experience, sir, please, with me, sir, by doing bird watching.
The bird watching by Mr. Ganesh was very good,
Thank you.
and he never bluffs. If he doesn't know something, I think he says he doesn't know. For example, we saw owl. He could not identify it. He said he could not identify it. I think that is very important for any birder,
Thank
or
you, sir.
especially a guide, to be honest. Then you will get not only business, people will appreciate you better.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
So your experience, ma'am, how do you felt?
I think I agree with Venkatesh that it is very important for you to, learn. To learn, you first need to agree that I don't know. If you don't agree, then you don't learn. You can easily tell any of your guests any of the bird names and they will not come to know. But that is cheating, because someday they will learn about it and know that you are cheating them. But with Ganesh, I find that he's an excellent birder, and I think he has an excellent, nature. So he is able to have the patience to guide people where the bird is and take, the pains too, without losing his patience in that. That's great.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you
And,
very much.
we will meet next time, sir.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.